Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. So continuing our problem solving series in sequences and series, here I came up with the 23rd question written on the screen. And what is the problem statement of question given to us? Let an is the n belongs to natural number is an AP with common difference D, all whose terms are non-zero. If n approaches infinity, then the sum of will approach they are asking. Okay, so it is given like 1 upon a1 dot a2 plus 1 upon a2 dot a3 plus 1 upon a3 dot a4 goes on up to 1 upon an dot an plus 1. So what we can see over here, a2 minus a1 will be common difference D only, you do know this thing, and a3 minus a2 will be our common difference D only, and a4 minus a3 will be our common difference D only. Similarly, an plus 1 minus an will be common difference D only. So I want the simplest answers. I'll be going to multiply and divide it with D. Okay, so dividing it by D, multiplying it with D, first time I'll be going to write the value of D as a2 minus a1, and second time I'll be going to write the value of D as a3 minus a2, and the third time I'll be going to write the value of D as a4 minus a3, and similarly likewise and so forth for nth time. Nth time I'll be going to write it as an plus 1 minus an divided by an dot an plus 1. Hope you guys would have got my point. So now let's separate out the denominators. So it will be becoming what? 1 upon a1 minus 1 upon a2, and it will be becoming what? 1 upon a2 minus 1 upon a3, and it will be becoming what? 1 upon a4 minus 1 upon a3 minus 1 upon a4, then so on likewise. At the last it will be what? 1 upon an minus 1 upon an plus 1. Now let's see what all things are getting cancelled over here. So 1 upon D is written as it is over here. 1 upon a2 minus sign plus sign, minus sign 1 upon a3 plus sign 1 upon a3, minus sign 1 upon a4 plus sign 1 upon a4, minus sign 1 upon an 1 upon an plus sign 1 upon an. So we'll be going to get what? 1 upon D 1 upon a1 minus 1 upon an plus 1. So the final value will be becoming 1 upon D an plus 1 minus a1, an plus 1 minus a1 divided by a1 dot an plus 1. Now we do know the formula of an, so that is what? A plus n minus 1 into D, that is a1 plus n plus 1 minus 1 times of D minus a1 divided by a1 dot an plus 1 it will be. So plus a1 minus a1 will be getting cancelled, plus 1 and minus 1 will be getting cancelled, then D and D will be getting cancelled. So the final answer will be becoming n divided by a1 dot an plus 1. Let's see if there is any option like this. So guys, they told that n is approaching to infinity. N is approaching to which number? Infinity. So what is the format we have achieved? We would have to write in front of it limit n tends to infinity. So this is what? A and limit n tends to infinity, a1 multiplied by a plus n plus 1 minus 1 times of D, limit n tends to infinity, n divided by a dot a plus n D. Now let's divide numerator and denominator by n over here. So limit n tends to infinity, n divided by n whole divided by a multiplied by a upon n plus nd divided by n it will be. Now n divided by n is 1 we are knowing, and a upon n will be becoming 0. So 1 divided by a multiplied by n upon n will become 1. 1 upon ad will be the final answer for this question. If there is any option like this, that should be marked by us. So ad it would not be a1 and a is same thing only. So let's write it as a1 and a1. This thing also as a1 and a1. So we'll be going to get what? 1 upon a1 times of D. So let's see if there is any option. Option A will be the right answer for this question. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, my dear students.